Looking into the life of a 22-year-old hair and fashion influencer trying to fill in her life with fun activities to keep it fun and alive, I think. She urges you to subscribe and join the ride, or just enjoy the vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Hi guys, I am loving my new hair.
I feel like there's something I want to learn from you behind it. Her. Guys, this is gorgeous.
Okay, yes.
Can you see what I did with the background? Whee! Oh, sis.
Purpose, is it worth it when you're down and feeling deserted? Simple.
My God, just charging. My battery is low, so I can't. I'm meant to plug this thing in here, but I can't. When we start talking,
Kind of feelings, they mean nothing when everything is fleeting. And all the things we think matter, they're disguised by all the world's chatter. And if you think you'd like to, I won't mind if you say no if you're inclined to. A compass with no turning point, a map with no sense of...
When people got angry, when he said,
I and my father are one.
Yeah. They were like, so you're in
Do you understand? So imagine him telling you, my father, I'm the father and I'm Jesus. No, he's trying to
simplify it for us humans.
To understand. Do you understand? Well,
Sorry. Another place was when he said, I am going, but I am coming to do it. So they were not like,
so yeah,
what do you mean?
He's going as the Son of Man, but he's going to come as the Holy Spirit. Do you understand?
Direction, GPS that somehow lost its voice, float around in midair, no suspension. I am trying to find my way, but I can't tell darkness from day. Nervous, feeling worthless. It feels heavy on your back, but it won't serve. Tender, wanting to surrender, yet you quickly press undo, return to sender. Hold me.
Hey favorites, so today is Saturday. Actually, Easter Saturday. There's something like that, right? Easter Saturday. Well, today is, I'm also short the date. I just got back from market. I went to buy some provision items. So let's unbox together. Anywhere you see this, buy it. It's good. If it's cold, better. If it's not cold, it's still good. The company that makes ice cream, I believe you must have seen this name, Fan Milk, on an ice cream. So I believe it's the same company. It's 12 in number. It's 12 in a pack. I always get this. Highly recommended. Yeah, let me show you other things I got. I also buy this. I usually just get it. I don't think it has a lot of sugar. My mom told me to cut down on my sugar intake. I barely even drink minerals like all these Sprites, Coke. I don't even take that at all. I mostly take yogurt. And I think the only thing that actually has more sugar is Chivita Exotic. But I barely take that. I just buy that once in a while. And then these. I actually requested they give me half of this, and I don't understand why it's sealed. Let me see if they put something else in here. This is mainly for snack with the drink or with tea. I usually bought the other one. I'm going to show you the second one. That's what I use for tea, not this. Okay, this is the second pack of. I actually mainly buy it for tea, so that's why I have it in the first place. This is good for tea, okay? Like you make your tea in a cup, then break this into, your tea. So good. These are just some stuff for the general house. Once in a while, I just top up for the house, and then I buy for my things for myself. So we have this for the kitchen, this pies for the kitchen, this for me, this for the kitchen, this for the house. It's money good normal detergent, so, and then close up for the house. Then lastly, in this box, let's just say I give it to my visitors. But if you come to my house, really don't expect me to give you anything. I actually sometimes end up giving visitors this.
In a world where dreams take flight and stars alarm, our love was written in the sky, so pure, so fine. You're my fairy tale, my happily ever after. In your arms I find my way through dark and lighter. Your eyes, they sparkle like a midnight dream, guiding me through the night. Your eyes, they sparkle like a midnight dream, guiding me through the night. In a world where dreams take flight and stars align. Our love was written in the sky, so pure.